Let's keep moving here with our medium resolution design. Just like we did with the high resolution, I'm going to leave the slideshow for now. We'll come back to the slideshow. Okay, so let's skip ahead down to our 3 content boxes. Okay, and these are going to be super easy to set up, to apply formatting to. I'm going to head back to the medium resolution media query, of course, and let's see. I'm going to head down to content box. Now, the content box itself, all I want to do to him is I want to change his background to the same blue as the background that we're using for the header. So once again, that was 0,80,125. Now, the other thing that I want to do, just like we did with the high resolution, is I want to get the paragraphs inside the content box under control. Okay, so I'm going to use a compound rule to achieve that. Okay, and I'll just indent him here underneath content box. He's going to be dot content box space P, obviously for paragraph. Okay, and let's see, I want to make the paragraphs inside the content box, I want to make them white. So I'm going to go 255, 255, 255 for their color. Okay, I'm going to reduce down their font size to 80%. Okay, just like that. And I'm a little bit concerned about readability, especially on, a medium resolution device. So throwing in line height always makes text a little bit more readable. Okay, so you can experiment with some different values. I'm going to try 180%, like so. All right, go ahead and save up your work and head back to your browser and refresh, and there we go. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Okay, so there's obviously the blue backgrounds in there, the white text, and the font size is just a little bit smaller, and we have lots of space between the lines of text, again, to increase readability.